Hello and another very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video. This absolutely stunning Peugeot 208 1.6 Blue HDI 100 brake horsepower GT line. It's a hatchback, full service history, parking sensors on the rear, and as you can see, stunning metallic blue paintwork. Privacy glass throughout the back. It aids in keeping harmful rays off any occupants, and of course keeping the car cool in summer. Full book pack with the car, half leather interior, absolutely stunning. Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back. 5-speed gearbox giving you a fantastic 80.7 miles per gallon fuel consumption combined. Even better if you're just sticking to A roads and motorways. That, believe it or not, is up to 94.2 miles per gallon. We've got automatic temperature control, which is a dual zone system with air conditioning. Automatic lights. We've got cruise control. Absolutely fantastic specification on this GT line. Automatic wipers, automatic dimming rear view mirror, and then you've got all this touchscreen system, which is absolutely fantastic. Just go through a few settings there for you. You've got your radio, all your stations that you can choose from, fuel figures. There's the main menu with the media settings, connected services, telephone and driving services. So all at just the press of a finger. Power to all 4 windows. Electronic door mirror adjustment. Absolutely fantastic condition. One registered keeper from new, and an absolute credit to those. Kept the car so nice. No pet odours, no smoking odours at all inside. And it's been prepared by our main dealer technicians also and safety checked. And of course, Perry's award-winning customer service. So please come along soon and you'll enjoy the experience. Thanks ever so much for watching, and bye bye for now.